The next important topic is genetic disorders. A disorder means a disease or syndrome caused by abnormality in an individual DNA. So this abnormality is ranged from small mutation in a single gene. Mutation means a sudden change in the gene sequence. So here a single gene is altered. Addition or subtraction of an entire chromosome. The third one is set of chromosome. So the abnormality, it happens in any way, in a single gene or in entire chromosome or in set of chromosome. So this is the range of chromosomal abnormality or genetic disorder. See the types. There are two types, Mendelian disorder and chromosomal abnormality. See the first one, Mendelian disorder. It is the alteration or mutation in a single gene. Next one, it's transmitted to the offsprings on the same line. The example of the disorders are thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, Huntington's chorea. So they may be dominant or recessive type. They are present in autosomal chromosomes or sex-linked chromosome. So first one, thalassemia, autosomal recessive disorder by gene mutation. So here formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecules are occur. So due to this abnormal hemoglobin, HB means hemoglobin, so excessive destruction of RBCs is the result. See, in a normal hemoglobin, there are 4 polypeptide chains in their structure. 4 polypeptide means 2 is alpha and the remaining 2 is beta. So the thalassemia patients defects in either alpha and beta globin chain. So they produce abnormal hemoglobin. It leads to anemia, that is destruction of RBCs. See, there are two types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia, mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 alpha gene alleles. It is controlled by 2 genes HBA1, HBA2. It is present in the chromosome number 16. So beta thalassemia, production of beta globin chain is affected. It is controlled by a single gene HBB. It is located in the chromosome number 11. So it's a common type of thalassemia called Cooley's anemia. The alpha chain production is increased, so it will damage RBC membrane. Phenylketonuria, inborn error of phenylalanine metabolism. It is caused by a pair of autosomal recessive genes. Due to mutation in that gene, PAH means phenylalanine hydroxylase gene. It is located on chromosome number 12. See, in the normal person, the phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine. It's an amino acid. Both are amino acids. So the phenylalanine amino acids are converted into tyrosine by the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. But in the affected individual, the enzyme is absent. So the phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. So it accumulates and gets converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. So due to that accumulation, it causes severe symptoms, severe mental retardation, light pigmentation of skin and hair. Then the phenylpyruvic acid is excreted in the urine. So it is named as phenylketonuria. See the next one, Huntington's chorea. So it is an autosomal dominant lethal gene in man. Death causing, lethal means death causing gene. So the symptoms are involuntary jerking of the body, progressive degeneration of nervous system. So due to that, the gradual mental and physical deterioration has happened. So the patient's age is between 35 to 40. Next Mendelian disorder is albinism. Inborn error of metabolism due to autosomal recessive gene. The melanin pigment is responsible for skin color, isn't it? So in the albinism person, the melanin pigment is absent. It is called albinism. The term is called albinism. See, in a normal person, 1,4 dihydroxyphenylalanine TOPA is converted into melanin pigment. Where it is happens means in the melanocyte cells by the enzyme tyrosinase. So in albino, the recessive gene allele is present. Melanocytes present in normal number in their skin, hair and iris, but there is no melanin pigment. This condition is called albinism. Melanocyte is present, but there is no melanin pigment. So they can't produce the skin color in different shades, brown to black. They are white in color in the skin, hair and iris. The next one is chromosomal abnormalities. So errors in number and structure of chromosomes. In the previous topic, Mendelian disorder, we saw that a single gene is responsible for the diseases. Now in the chromosomal abnormalities, a number and structure of chromosome is errored. See, occur during, when it happens means in the time of cell division. So aneuploidy, failure of chromatids to segregate during cell division, resulting in the gaining or loss of one or more chromosomes. So it caused by non-disjunction of chromosomes. Non-disjunction means the chromatids are not separated from each other at the time of cell division. See here, symptoms are group of signs and symptoms. Not a single symptoms are here. It's a group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality. See, in humans, the example for the chromosomal abnormalities are Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Patau syndrome. Chromosomal abnormalities, there are two types. Autosomal aneuploidy, that is body chromosomes. Allosomal abnormalities, sex chromosomes. See here, there are two: Down syndrome, trisomy 21, Patau syndrome, trisomy 13. In allosomal abnormality, there are two examples are given here: Klinefelter's XXY male, Turner's syndrome X0 female. See the first one, in autosomal aneuploidy, Down syndrome, trisomy 21. It is a trisomic condition of chromosome 21. That is normally the chromosomes are occurred in paired form, isn't it? So extra one chromosome is added here, so it is called trisomic condition. The characterization of the Down syndromes are severe mental retardation, defective development of central nervous system, increased separation of eyes. See here, consider this is eye, there is increased separation between the eyes. The distance between the eyes are much long. They have flattened nose, the ears are malformed, mouth is constantly opened, the tongue protrudes. Protrusion means the tongue comes out from the mouth. So these are all the symptoms of Down syndrome. Come to the second one, Patau syndrome, trisomy 13, caused by meiotic non-disjunction. So at the time of meiosis cell division, the chromosomes are not separated. So it is called non-disjunction. Characterization, it is multiple and severe body malformations with profound mental deficiency. So they are small head with small eyes, cleft palate. Cleft means the splitting or open in the roof of the palate. Open in the roof of the palate. Malformation of the brain and internal organs. The second chromosomal abnormality is allosomal abnormality in human. There is the abnormality in the sex chromosome. First one is Klinefelter syndrome, XXY males. So see here, due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosomes, the normal male contains XY only, but here one X chromosome is additionally added here. So the karyotype is 47 instead of 46. See, they have 47 chromosomes, 44 autosomes plus XXY instead of XY. So the characterization of the Klinefelter syndromes are sterile males. Sterile means they can't able to produce offsprings. Tall, obese, with high limbs, high pitched voice, underdeveloped genitalia. The sex organ is called genitalia. Have a feeble breast development. It is called gynecomastia. Feeble means the breast is not physically strength. It's a weak breast. It is called gynecomastia. The second allosomal abnormality is Turner syndrome, X0 females. The loss of X chromosome. So the karyotype is 45 instead of 46. So the 45 chromosomes contains 44 autosomes plus only one X chromosome instead of double X. So the characterization is low stature. That is, they are short, webbed neck. Webbed neck means skin fold that runs down along the sides of the neck down to the shoulders. It means skin fold that runs along the sides of the neck down to the shoulders. Rudimentary gonads lack the menstrual cycle during puberty. Rudimentary means not well developed gonads. So there is no menstrual cycle at the time of puberty.